Hey, let's go over how to draw Lethal Company, step by step for beginners, alright? Real simple. So let's get started. I'm gonna go over here, curve over here for kind of the, like the, I don't know, the screen essentially, that part, the windshield of the helmet, down right here. Over here on this side, down on this side. Alright. And I'm gonna curve across over here. Gonna go over here on this side over here and circle, kind of like for that portion of the helmet. Circle on this side, out over here, down, curve, up over here, up, curve over here. And put one over here on the side as well. Right on. Doing good so far, okay? Curve around here. Curve underneath. And then curve over here on this side, kind of for the helmet there. Curve right there. We want another one over here on the outside, another little bulge over there, like of the area. Now let's go down here for around the neck of the helmet. Alright, so far so good. Down over here, down for the arm. Line up, curve for the arm right there. Down right here, down the body. Line over here for the arm on the other side. Curve, line right there. Maybe he's got his hand on his waist. Curve underneath. Line over here, and we'll go down over here for the glove area. The thumb right there, just the hand right here at its side. Don't forget to hit the like button. Makes a lot of difference when you do that, so definitely hit that like. It only takes 2 seconds. Curve over here for underneath the belt. And it's going to be kind of like a tubes across the body here. Line, line. Line over here. Line over here. And let's go down right here for the kind of the pants right here. And they're relatively baggy. Over here on this side. Foot and foot. These are relatively cute. If you find you know, something that you want to draw that's cute, get the ebook. There's a free there's basically an ebook that I put out, and it is it was $40 or $30. And it's all about drawing something cute, meaning the proportions, big eyes. There's charts on all of that. Basically, I put up these charts and I'm like, hey, how can I teach somebody through just like a graph, right? Through something they can hold in their hand or look in their phone, how to draw something cute, the formula for cute. Because when you look at cute or chibi, 90% of it is like the exact same formula. Literally 90% of it, when you look at chibi art, you know, from Japan, anywhere, to cute art, to animation, 90% of it is like the same type of thing. And it doesn't look the same, but I meant the structure and how they make it is the same, the thought process behind it. So I talk about that, like for example, the head to body proportion, which is really big, the eyes, all of that stuff. I give you that base in that ebook, and it's all in charts because we're all artists. We don't really read a lot, right? So I mean, we read, but we don't like want to read information about this. We want to look at it through a chart. So that's what I did. I made a chart They're 20 pages long. It is a manuscript that you can download right now, and it is free for you since you're watching this video. So since you're watching this video, go take a look at that. It is, yeah, just a really cool experience, and it's kind of a reward for anybody that's been watching this channel for a while, okay? It's not going to be free forever, so go get that right this minute if you can. It's in the description, all right? It's just a quick thing. All right, I'm going to go out over here, down. The most important part of this guy is the tank on his back. All right. Line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. Line down, line down. And to kind of add on to this kind of stuff, we're going to add a little bit of like details right here. So we'll draw a little curve line here, curve, 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 curve over here, line over here in the back. Line over in the, like these folds that kind of fold in on themselves over here in the arms. Right? It's always the crick of the crevices and stuff like that. We're drawing these thin little lines, and it adds a lot, as you can tell, right? It really does add a whole lot. But yeah, take a look at the second channel, Easy Things to Draw. I go over more of the structural stuff like that. If you're more interested in that, go check out Easy Things to Draw, because that's you know, happening right now. All right, let's look at him, and we look at this character, and we're like, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I like it. Maybe a couple little more folds, and maybe some darker lines around the feet and legs, just a bit here. So, like so. Gonna draw a little bit of a thicker line around the outside here, just to kind of give it that little extra boost of like some like stickers, which by the way, we are selling stickers at the store. Go take a look at that. You just gotta go to stickermonster.ai. Go to .art. Sorry, .art. All right, let's draw another drawing together. So stick around and let's do it together. Let's get started. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.